Hey guys, it's Kierra, and it's time for me to spill the beans. I helped curate Root's June Mini Pretty Club. If you're not familiar with this beauty subscription, it's a $26 monthly subscription, and each month you'll receive one full-size makeup product, one trial-size skin, hair, or body product, and 4 makeup samples. In addition, you can add up to 4 hand-picked products at 20% off. Okay, let's jump into June's Mini Pretty Club. Starting with the makeup samples, you received 2 of my favorite eyeshadows, 1 of my favorite blushes, and 1 of my favorite bronzers. September is one of our pressed eyeshadows. It is a shimmery white peach shade, and I absolutely love it as an eyeshadow, and I've also been playing around with it as a highlighter. Of all of my lighter eyeshadow shades, this one is my favorite. Up next is Cocoa. Cocoa is another one of our pressed eyeshadows and a staple brown in my collection. This dark matte beauty is great for liner. It is great as a crease shade, an outer V shade, and if you have dark brows, you can also use it to fill in your brows. Sadie is one of our loose mineral blushes, a gorgeous pinky peach shade. It was actually one of the first blushes I ever tried from Root, and I loved it. I love this shade as a blush, but today you're going to get to see some of that versatility in our Root products because I'm not using it as a blush, I'm using it as an eyeshadow. And last but certainly not least, Beach Babe is a stunning gold loose mineral bronzer. I love this as a bronzer, as an eyeshadow. You could even use it as a highlighter. It gives the most natural sun-kissed glow, and it leaves me speechless all the time. The trial size product you received is our Calming Complexion Lavender and Jojoba Esters Exfoliating Cleanser. I love this cleanser because you can really feel it working. It has little beads inside of it that really help to exfoliate your skin well, and the best thing about that for me is I know that when I'm starting my makeup, I'm starting on a nice, smooth canvas. The full-size makeup product you received this month is our Miranda Pretty Paint. It is a cream, blush, and lip multi-use product. It's a soft peachy pink shade that you can apply lightly or build it up if you really want an intense color. It is so hydrating and nice on the skin and the lips. When you receive your June box, I have no doubt you'll find one of your new favorite Root products. All of the products I picked for June's Mini Pretty Club I used to create this look right here, and I'm going to show you how to recreate it right now. I'm starting today's look with the Calming Complexion Lavender and Jojoba Esters Exfoliating Cleanser. You only need maybe 1 to 2 pumps of this. It's very concentrated, so always start with less and add more if you need it. I love exfoliating my skin before I start any makeup application because it ensures that all of the dead skin cells are removed and I'm starting on a blank, smooth canvas. I applied my foundation base and now it's time to dig into those amazing makeup products that you are probably dying to try. So first up is Beach Babe Bronze. I'm using this as my bronzer today, just dipping my brush in, and I'm applying this on my cheeks. I'm applying it around my hairline and across my nose just to give me a really nice natural glow. I love this product, and as you can see, a little bit goes a long way. It is time to add some more color to our cheeks, so we're going in with Miranda Pretty Paint here, just taking a little bit of this first, working it up on my cheeks. I really like to build up the color because I like a more intense cheek color, but you do what you like. It is all based on preference here. As I mentioned earlier, I'm using the Miranda Pretty Paint as my blush color instead of my Sadie sample. But if you wanted to have a powder cheek product rather than a cream product, you could always opt for Sadie here. Moving right along, we are diving right into our Sadie Mineral Blush. I'm applying this as an eyeshadow to my crease. So I'm just building this up in my crease a little bit higher than my natural crease. We have this lovely pink shade here, and that is how we're starting today's eye look. Going back in with Beach Babe Bronze now, Here's a pretty tip for you. If you wet your brush or wet your eyeshadow before you apply it, the color is even more intense. So that's what I'm doing with Beach Babe. As I said, I love that shimmer, and I'm just applying this on my lid. This is our main lid shade, and it looks so well paired with that Sadie blush. The next shade I'm going in with is September. This is our highlight shade, so I'm using this on the inner corner of my eyes just to really make my eyes pop. I'm applying it under my brow bone. I'm applying it on my cheeks. As you can see, I switched to my finger here just because I like that application a little bit better. I applied it on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. Look at that glow. Now we're on to our last makeup sample. This is our Cocoa Pressed Eyeshadow, and I'm using this as a subtle brown eyeliner today. So I'm not being super precise here as I apply it. I'm just kind of smoking it out to create a really subtle liner. And that's it for this eye look. I threw on a couple coats of our 100% Lash Mascara, and now going back in with our Miranda Pretty Paint, we are finishing off today's look strong with this gorgeous pinky peach lip shade. I am just applying this in a couple of layers because I really want that color to pop, and that's it. We are done with today's makeup look. And now for the big reveal. This is the final makeup look that I created using all of the products I picked out for June's Mini Pretty Club box. Thank you so much for supporting Fruit and for treating yourself to the June Mini Pretty Club subscription. Of course, this is only one makeup look that you can create with all of these products, but with the versatility of the Root products, I'm sure you can come up with so many more options. I can't wait to see what you come up with and how you use these products to fit your makeup style. I had so much fun curating this box, and I hope you love everything inside. Now let's talk about this month's add-on options. These are the extra products that you could have added onto your Mini Pretty Club at 20% off. The 4 add-on products I chose for June's Mini Pretty Club box were the Trial Size Calming Complexion Lavender and Apricot Soothing Moisturizer, the Trial Size Pretty Hair Day Hibiscus and Marshmallow Root Glossing Hair Mask, our Pearl Powder Mineral Foundation, and our Natural Brow Powder Pan. Our Pretty Hair Day Hibiscus and Marshmallow Root Glossing Hair Mask is a one-and-done hair product for your wash days. You can use this as a daily conditioner, a deep conditioning treatment, a leave-in, and a styling cream. My curls love this stuff, and it only takes me 2 pumps. Our Calming Complexion Lavender and Apricot Soothing Moisturizer is one of my favorite lightweight moisturizers to apply before my foundation. It soaks right into my skin and makes the perfect pre-base for my foundation. It leaves my skin so soft and my makeup just glides on so easily right over top of it. If you purchase this, you now have the perfect travel size lavender moisturizer and cleanser set that you can take with you whenever you travel. Our Pearl Powder Mineral Foundation is a lightweight foundation that comes as a dry powder. You can achieve light to medium coverage or medium to full coverage depending on your preference. This is a foundation that can be applied wet or dry, and you can achieve a matte consistency or a dewy consistency depending on your preference. I've been liking mixing my Pearl Powder Mineral Foundation with our Clear Pretty Booster. This gives me a skin-like medium to full coverage finish. Our Pearl Powder Mineral Foundation comes in 10 shades ranging from the most fair skin tones to the deepest of skin tones in the tones neutral, golden, warm, and cool. Our Natural Brow Powder was the very first Root product I fell in love with. I used the shade Deep Brown, but it also comes in blonde, ash brown, golden, and jet. This brow powder can help you achieve a soft natural brow or a bold glam brow, depending on your preference. You can find me on Instagram at kpierre.beauty. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.